Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the odd bit count problem. Henry is fascinated by binary numbers, so he decided to count the total number of set bits in a binary representation of all odd numbers from a given range. So in simple terms, we have given a range and we have to count the total number of set bits in that range. And excluding the even numbers, we have to count the set bits of only odd numbers. Like in the test case 1, we have given a range of 1 to 7. So the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7. So in number 1 we have one set bit, in number 3 we have two set bit, and number 5 we have also two set bit, and in 7 we have three set bit. So if we calculate the sum of the number of set bits, so we will get 8. So that we have to return in the answer. So let's see how we can do this. We will use the bitwise concept. As you know, n and 1 will return the last bit of the number. Suppose we have n as 5 and we will do 5 and 1. So it will return 1 because the last bit of the 5 is 1 here. We are going to use this n and 1, and the next one is we will use the shift operator to shift the bit to the right so we can check the bit is 1 or 0. So this concept will be used in our code. So let's start coding. Now let's see the code. First we will take the number of test cases and run a while loop till the number of test cases are there. Suppose we have given 2, so the while loop will run 2 times. Then we will take the variable n which will store the range. Suppose the user has given 7, so the range will be 1 to 7. And then we will create a variable set count which will store the number of set count present in that range. Now we will use a for loop to go to each number in that range. We will start the loop from 1 because 1 is a odd number and run it till n, and we will increase the I 2 times because we have to skip the even ones, so we will directly jump to the odd ones. Then in set count variable we will store the number of set bit in that number, and this will be done by the calculate function. The calculate function will return us the number of set bit present in a number. Suppose we have a number 1, we will pass it to the calculate function and it will return the number of set bit present in that number, and we will add to the set count. Then we will use the cout function to print the sum of the set counts. Now let's submit this code. Before that, just run it. It is working fine. Now let's submit it. It is accepted, so thank you.